If the fuse is damaged, replace it with a spare. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the handle holder. Connect sphere handle. Connect body RF handle. Connect cooling handle. Connect IRF handle. Connect face RF handle. Position all the installed handles onto the holders. Filling water. Attach the funnel to the inlet until the snap on the inlet is popped up. Pour water through the funnel until it starts flowing out from the overflow. Press the snap on the inlet and remove the tube of funnel. Caution: the funnel cannot be removed without pressing the snap. Press down the handle to remove the rotating head and align the replacement head with the buckle to replace it. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Choose Face RF. Settings. Time: 10 minutes. Energy level: 3-inch. Press the Start/Stop button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Stop button to stop the operation. Choose IRF. Settings. Time: 10 minutes. Energy level: 3-inch. Press the Start/Stop button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Stop button to stop the operation. Choose cooling. Settings. Time: 10 minutes. Energy level: 3-inch. Press the Start/Stop button to initiate the process. Choose body RF. Settings. Time: 15 minutes. Energy level: 3-inch. Press the Start/Stop button to initiate the process. Choose sphere. Settings. Time: 10 minutes. Energy level: 3. Mode: default. Press the Start/Stop button to initiate the process. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Water drainage. Attach the funnel to the outlet on the main unit until the snap on the outlet pops up. Turn the funnel upside down to drain the water from the tank. Once the tank is drained, press the snap on the outlet and remove the funnel.